Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings in the morning, yeah. My wisdom warriors, I hope everybody good, Big up on yourself. Yes, so today, I saw a bridge. My viewers and subscribers, me I tell you, man, me have to commend those people in the community. Me just have to commend the residents them. Really and truly, because when I saw this bridge, me say, then how everybody say Andrew Holness do such a good job. Andrew Holness get up and I build high road and I build this and I build that. For the rich people them. And he's not building nothing for the people them in the community. This is why me always come out and attack. Me always telling you say, look in our surroundings, look around and tell me what Andrew Holness do for you. In Hanover Eastern, a deep rural community that also falls in the Hopewell Division in the Hanover Municipal Corporation, residents have constructed a wooden bridge that now serves their community. Following the collapse over 2 years ago of the over 100-year-old original bridge that spanned the Cabarita River, which runs through the community. The bridge serves as the main connecting thoroughfare between Woodsfield District and areas in Westmoreland, St. James, and also leads to the Hanover capital, Lucy. When I hear that, my viewers and subscribers, look on the bridge where the people them in the community make. Look what the residents them make. You see that? How can I not commended my brothers and sisters for doing that? Me have to commend them for do that, because look, over 2 years they have been waiting over 2 years for this bridge to be fixed. But through Andrew Holness busy and build up the economy, feel it look good. When you see what I try to show you now, feel it look good for investors and stakeholders. Andrew Holness don't remember nothing about the rural area. This is why enough people not vote for Andrew Holness. Yes, man. This is why. My viewers and subscribers, they must me and look good. The people them are wait for bridge over 2 years. And all know the government not do no bridge. I know the people them have to come together and build a bridge like that. You understand? Wanna see which part and which part to connect to? Wanna see that? They say connect to Lucy. It connect to different sides. You understand? My viewers and subscribers, when me telling you sometimes say, me just cannot happy with the work where Andrew Holness do. These are the things, because listen, I am out here, I am out here for my brothers and sisters. This is why me come out and talk, because Andrew Holness only do things for the rich. Me keep telling you, but no, listen. Andrew Holness build infrastructure. Nothing wrong if you want to build the infrastructure, but what I'm saying is deal with the people them first in the rural area. Every prime minister want their country. Well, some prime minister want their country feel look good. You understand? But in this case, Andrew Holness only want to catch the eyes of the investors and stakeholders. And it's just the truth, my viewers and subscribers. And enough people can see. Enough people can see through that. You get me? Enough people cannot see because they not have no vision. So they cannot see. Listen, Andrew Holness build up how much infrastructure though already. And look on that the bridge there. I'm sure no say Andrew Holness know about that the bridge there. Me not ask Christ. Andrew Holness know about that the bridge there. You understand me? And he did nothing. And when I tell me say I'm a good prime minister because he might do things, he might build up for the rich. What about the poor people? The poor people come first. Them are your priority. This is why me always come and blaze Andrew Holness, and I won't stop blazing him, because he's not doing a good job, my viewers and subscribers. He is not doing a good job. Take a look on the bridge one more time. My wisdom warriors, you know see that? And Andrew owners have how much money sit down pan for the Jamaican people. How much money Mr. They give to them. How much money Andrew Ownless is not doing what he's supposed to do in the rural area. And when at election time, you're going to see him go round. He go round like headless chicken deep down in the rural area. That the man they go. Deep down, just forget little vote. You understand? And look Panda Bridger. Are the people them in the community, the resident them come together and make this bridge, my viewers and subscribers. They must stop me. They no fear go through this. And your owners, the whole of them, Ministry of Labor, the whole of them have 400 million a pay for unoccupied place, unoccupied building. And look on the bridge here. 2 years. 2 years, my viewers and subscribers. The last time me hear Everall Warmington when Mark Golin come out and they said the tri-bridge need to fix. You know hear where Everall Warmington say? Everall Warmington say if that are the only bridge in Jamaica need to fix. You understand? And him not fix nothing, anything where, anywhere bridge there. And anywhere in a PNP area, any bridge there, we want to fix. They no fix it. No matter how the MP go in a parliament and talk and tell them about the bridge, they only say yes, them are going to do it and no release no money. So sometimes when I say, oh, at the PNP MP and do nothing, at the candidate, no, them a do it. Look how long Lisa Anna take for fix Fair Road in a Fair constituency. Who remember? Me did show the video over here. How long? Over 2 years. After 2 years, I know how much time she write to them. Everall Warmington are the one who released the money over 2 years. 2 years later to fix the road. And the only way I see him do it, actually Lisa Anna come out and she did a show the road now. She go up on social media now and start show the road. You understand? And then when you look 2 weeks later, Everall Warmington call her, you understand, about a bridge where she, not bridge, about a road in our constituency we need fixing. So my viewers and subscribers, the Labour right, PNP, make me tell you something. The Labour right, they must sabotage, you know. They must sabotage, you know. No things say the MP and do it. No, they must do it. They might do it, they might go to them, they might tell them, they might write to them. But remember, say, when them say they might give the MP them, you know, the each constituency money, you know, they not give them in their hand, you know. They not give them in their hand. They come in a parliament and say, yes, they might go give each constituency receive this. But they not give them in their hand. I don't know if they give the Labour right them, but they not give the PNP. This is why the PNP have to wait. Have to wait till dirty Everall Warmington do as he like and do as he please. You understand? And this not sit well with the Jamaican people. We have enough of this bullshit. All of this need to stop. Everybody are brothers and sisters. We're all one. You understand? We're all one. And Everall Warmington, remember say Everall Warmington come out, you know, and say it, you know, other day, you know. But that's something we do for a long time. That's something we do for a long time. You understand me? That's why I said this man have to get fire. So I don't know how comes he still each up in a house of parliament and go on like him as somebody good. He man not nobody. You understand me? A fire if you get fire. And PSOJ no see that. When Dennis Meadows talk about scamming with them the government and that them a do, and Dennis Meadows come out and talk about scamming and youth for scam, what PSOJ do? The first thing them do are run out pan PNP, don't it? And true then she say then she say it go look bad if they not run out for Everall Warmington, they run out. But they don't mean nothing. They only do it true because the public are ball out. That's all. And when me telling you say the government not care about Jamaica, uno people were up on the ground, were in the rural area. Uno not see that? Seriously, talk truth. Uno not see that? Me not talk rich people them where live good life. Because them not care about nobody. People who live in the rural area are uno always make Andrew Ownless win. So uno need to get up now and do not vote for this man because this man a build up infrastructure and I think about investors will come from different country and stakeholders. This man not think about uno. And the sooner uno realize it is better for Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors, this pain me heart, you know, when I see bridge like that. You understand? It pain me heart. Look how much money they make off of tourism. Look how much money they make. Look how much money they get in a pandemic. Look how much money they get other day. Much money Babs Grange get, 31 million Canadian she get for give to vulnerable people, for help vulnerable people. Eh? So what they do with all of them money there? My viewers and subscribers, Jah know, man, Jah know. Only the people that we can talk to, because the power is in our hands. We have to go out and demonstrate against these things. Anyway, hear this. Agency Commissioner General explains circumstances surrounding near $400 million spent on unused properties. Head of Tax Administration, Jamaica TAJ, Ainsley Powell says there is no plan for any employee to be sanctioned over the situation where the agency has spent almost $400 million for the leasing of 2 buildings that remain unoccupied. The TAJ has pointed to Jamaica's procurement rules, aspects of which are to be reformed based on a recent announcement by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, who is also the responsible minister for the agency. My viewers and subscribers, I not expect better for here they know. Nigel Clark, him, a responsible minister for agency. Here all them something I know. Them something I know. Listen, all them something I know right you know. Them something I know right you know, because they can rob up money, they can take any amount. Listen, remember say I want MP own the building, and my viewers and subscribers. Remember say Norman Dunn own one of the company. So they can't do anything. They can look upon this a procurement, guidelines, and just use it and just say, no, me I go rate it, me I go give you money. Just like what I said other day, me I go give you money. And they can take the money. All of them can share the money amongst themselves because that them friend own the building. So this year, me not really, you see this, me know say nothing never there come out of it. Because that's why we are going to vote out Andrew Holness. Because that procurement guidelines, it need for change. It need for review. This need to review. You understand? This need to review. Because this is the conflict of interest. And that me want to know. This is the conflict of interest. My viewers and subscribers, listen. An MP have a building, yeah? And listen, an MP have a building. Anybody can do anything. Any one of them, finance minister, any one of them can say, no, we can follow the procurement guidelines, you know, man. And we can do this, you know. We can just take out some amount of money and just share it amongst ourselves and rate it. Listen, we are not up about. So when me hear say Nigel Clark now are responsible, you can just go amend little things then now. Hey, me not trust none of them. This have to change. This for change. This is not right. So me not expect better. So when agency commissioner come out and I talk about because them are me not expect better from our own. No. Me not expect better. Me not expect better none whatsoever from them. Seriously, this need for change. These guidelines are need to change. We Jamaican people not happy with these guidelines here. We're not happy. We're not happy with it. Come on, know how this MP man, how him so lucky. How him so lucky. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The one you're at, you know, the one you're at bad. You know, so me have to save the best for last. The parliamentary opposition is continuing its calls for the Integrity Commission to update the country on its continued delay in certifying the statutory declarations of Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Yes, Peter Bunting, me depend you with this one year. Me like it. Of course, our Integrity Commission wait pan. Integrity Commission, we una backside wait pan. The public need to know what is going on with Andrew Holness declaration. It is full time because remember, remember this year declaration for go in. So no need for talk about how Andrew Holness are going to send in that declaration and when he not send in the last 2 years. Make it make sense. So no need for come and update us. We want to know what is going on with Andrew Holness declaration. Because we are not fool about it, you know. We are not fool about it. We want to know. So no, please keep us update. The parliamentary opposition, they are asking for an update. The people have all right to know. Speaking in the Senate on Wednesday during a heated exchange with acting Senator President Charles Sinclair, opposition Senator Peter Bunting reiterated the opposition's call for the Integrity Commission to speak on the delay. My viewers and subscribers, this is why the whole of them get vexed. They don't want them not want the other side do not want Peter Bunting to talk about Andrew Holness declaration. You know said that you know say a breach Andrew Holness breach the law. So how comes no me not understand in other Caribbean country, Mr. Prime Minister in a St. Kitts, my viewers and subscribers, in St. Kitts, the Prime Minister didn't declare. He has said, I make false statement. And what happened? What happened? Then charge him. The DPP charge him. So what is the difference? Who the hell Andrew Holness think is? The whole I know going like Andrew Holness a God bout here. Eh? Una come go like say Andrew Holness a God. The whole I know eat that in a parliament. Eh? Always a pick up for Andrew Holness. And most money una get. Most money. Come in and understand. You have the Prime Minister get charged in a St. Kitts for do the same exact thing what Andrew Holness do. So how Andrew Holness breach the law? 3 years now. No declaration. Wagwan. Integrity Commission. Hello? Uno need to come out update. Come here go check on the thing. No. Me not depend it with Uno. You understand? Me not depend it with Uno. A full time now we know what is going on. Put up it, update it so me can get for blog it over here. You understand? Because remember say ministers they not like when bloggers come out and talk about them, you know. They come like them forget so they're working for the people. So we have to come and give Uno constructive criticism. That I always do. You understand? And when Uno forget some dash out, me just go dash Uno right out. You understand? Yes, me have to dash Uno right out. Because when you not do the right thing, I have to talk up the things them. Because enough propagandists, bloggers must come out and I tell pure lie. Pure lie. Me can't believe. I confused because should they know say some of Jamaican people fully done according to Andrew Holness. This is why they do all these things. And a labor right alone I do that. Labor right alone I do that. You understand me? So Integrity Commission, you need to update on a thing. And everybody only can go on the website, Integrity Commission website, and look over there. You understand? Because them ever update for them service. So I don't know how comes, they not reach for Andrew yet. Remember declaration, all tax declaration for going right now, you know. Final year declaration for going right now. So we want to know what happened with Andrew Holness. Remember, it is ongoing. And I like say, ongoing. It is ongoing. Uno say that. You get me? My viewers and subscribers, Peter Bunting, you do the right thing. You do the right thing. And right now, my viewers and subscribers, Integrity Commission urge to give update on issue with the Prime Minister's statutory declaration. Yes, them urge. So me just wait for Uno right now, Integrity Commission, for do the dope. Because we are waiting. Jamaicans are waiting. Because Andrew Holness, you could have built infrastructure. You could have built the apartment them. You could have built the high road where you claim say yeah, bill and Jamaican people now benefit from it. Because I'm sure know how the man have to pay, how much money them have charge the man. If you go through that they told there. And then you know say Angela, you know. You know say somehow you know no sense. Somehow you know no sense. Because everything you know have to pay back. You know have to pay back everything you know say. Number one, he might build apartment and poor people can't afford it because he's not building affordable homes for the poor people. He's thinking about investors. He's thinking about the rich. So, you not see that? Wait, all of the dopey back them are where run behind Andrew. You not see that? Anyway, you not no sense somehow, because me see the woman come out and she said she will die for Andrew Holness and she will die for Juliet Holness. You remember the video when we play over here? The woman, how she will die. All when hungry I kill her, she still a vote. Whoa, I can't believe. I saw me think so then did come out of them the mentality there. That for sure you from hear them talk like that. Them know say hungry I kill them. That's why people talk like that, you know. Them know that. Them know. It's just the truth. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think below here in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.